just and already. Just and already. So how is the difference between just and already? Okay, let's go. So before we use just, we have to take a look the use, okay, the usage, or when do we use just. Okay, the first one, we use just to say that an action has happened very recently or a short time ago. So just we use with a short time ago or very recently. So anyway, I just, okay, look at the example. Anyway, I just left the house. Okay, anyway, I just left the house. Means that I left the house a very short time ago. Okay, so this is about just. Now you can look at the example here again. Okay, imagine that you had been going to a university for 4 years and graduated 2 weeks ago. Okay, imagine that you had been going to university for 4 years and you graduated 2 weeks ago. So what should you talk with the adverb just? Okay, you talk to the family members and they ask what is new, and then you say, okay, I just graduated from college. I'm so happy to finally be done. Okay, I'm so happy to finally be done. Okay, that means you have graduated from university. Okay, I hope this one is really clear for you to understand. Okay, now we talk about already. So when do we use already? Okay, now you can take a look here. We use already. Okay, usually use already to say that an action has happened early or sooner than expected. Okay, so now you can look at here. Example, don't worry, I already got the tickets. Okay, that's mean no worry. Okay, he got the ticket already. So that's mean that I got, okay, I got the tickets sooner than. Okay, so now you can take a note here. The speaker did not use the word just here because they bought the tickets several hours ago. So, and in this situation, that is not a short time ago. Okay, that means there is not short time. Okay, it's not short time. So, I hope that this is clear for you about adverbs